If you're experiencing billing issues on Project44, follow these steps to quickly resolve them. This guide will help you navigate the process efficiently. Step 1. Identify the issue. Determine the specific billing problem you are facing, such as incorrect charges, missing invoices, or payment processing errors. Having a clear understanding of the issue will help streamline the resolution process. Step 2. Gather documentation. Collect all relevant documents related to your billing issue, including invoices, payment receipts, and any correspondence with Project44. This information will be crucial when you reach out for support. Step 3. Contact customer support. Reach out to Project44's customer support team through their official support channels. Provide them with a detailed description of your billing issue and attach any relevant documentation you gathered in a previous step. Step 4. Follow up. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Escalate if necessary. If your issue remains unresolved after following up, consider escalating the matter to a supervisor or manager within the customer support team. Clearly explain your situation and the steps you've already taken to seek resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your billing issues on Project44 efficiently. If problems persist, consider seeking further assistance or exploring alternative solutions.